Today we are on Holland America's Noordam and we're going to check out cabin 8066, which is a veranda stateroom. This one here is a VA. It's actually the best category of veranda staterooms on the ship, and it's on the navigation deck, which is deck 8. You can accommodate up to 2 guests in this particular cabin. It's not accessible. It's not connecting, but let's take a look around. As we head on in, we can see that the beds are set up in the queen configuration, but they can be separated to twins. And we've got a TV on the wall in front of the beds, very large mirror behind the beds, bedside tables, a separate seating area with a coffee table, a seating area / makeup area. You can see the drinks there waiting for you, as well as the fridges underneath that little table there. Looking out the balcony, you can see 2 lounges, footrests, and a small table which you can use to sit your drinks on. It's looking out towards White Bay Cruise Terminal there here in Sydney. Some artwork on the walls. As we pull back, you can see the seating area. Looking out the balcony, plenty of natural light through, and the bathroom, very bright, very white bathroom. Got a combined shower and bathtub, so let's keep that in mind. You need to step into the shower. Got a shower curtain, which I personally hate, but well, Holland America, listen to this, get rid of your shower curtains. Got the obligatory toilet in the bathroom. What sort of bathroom on a cruise cabin would not have a toilet? I don't know, but luckily they included it in this one. Backlit mirror, so you get the best lighting whilst you're fixing up your makeup. Got some shelves, as well as storage underneath the bench. Let's just take one last look at this cabin. But hey, if you're looking to book a VA Verandah Stateroom, Holland America's Noordam, there's going to be a link in the comments below. Got any question, drop that in the comments below. Like this video, please. I'd appreciate that. You may as well subscribe for future ship tours, cabin tours, all things cruising. Until next time, keep cruising.